Let's take a look at this problem involving sequences, where the equation right here is given to us as a recursive definition. It says that if you want to find the nth term of the sequence A, I guess I'd call that an, it's equal to 2 times an minus 1 plus an minus 2. An minus 1 refers to the term before an, and an minus 2 refers to the term before that. They've also told us that a1 is equal to 1 and a2 is equal to 3. Well, they have to give us a couple terms to get us started in the sequence. Those are called the seeds. The problem asks you to calculate the next term, which is a3. In order to calculate a3, notice that where it used to be an, it's now a3. So it's just saying replace n with the number 3 and calculate away. So if I replace n with the number 3 over here as well, I get 3 minus 1, and then over here I get 3 minus 2. So to calculate that, let's simplify these expressions down here. 3 minus 1 and 3 minus 2, let's calculate those out. So I would get a3 equals 2a2 plus a1. And since I know the value of a1, it's 1, and I know the value of a2, it's 2, I can now substitute in those numbers, and I get a3 must be equal to 2 times 3 plus 1. Or, finally, a3 is equal to 7. If you wanted to calculate some more terms using this recursive definition, you could continue doing this over and over again. So let me write down my answer over here. a3 equals 7. I don't want to forget that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this. I'll do the next one. So now we would want to say maybe find a4. In order to find a4, you just replace all the n's with 4's. So I'm putting a 4 in this spot, and I'm putting a 4 in this spot for n. Now I simplify like I did before, the subscript parts. So 4 minus 1 is 3, and down here 4 minus 2 is 2. And once I have that, I can now grab a2, which is right here, and a3, which I just calculated, and put a 7 in its spot. So in order to get a4, I have 2 times 7 plus 3. Or a4 equals 14 plus 3, 17. That's how a recursive formula works. You just keep going up one step at a time, using the formula over and over again. So even if they asked you to find a7, you just go find a5 and then a6 and then a7 in the same manner. Hopefully that helps with the step-by-step and you'll be able to get those recursive formulas figured out. But let me know if you have any questions. Bye.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.